how to fix Messenger video call, minimize or floating window not working on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Messenger video call minimize or the floating window not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to assure that you are using the iOS 14 or more than 14 iOS version on your iPhone. So if you have the required iOS version and if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like general. Alright, so from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like picture in picture option. Alright, so from this section, make sure that you have turned on these features like start PIP automatically, and after you turn on this, you'll be able to fix that problem. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just check for the updates available for your Messenger on your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to open the App Store on your iPhone. And now from the top, you'll have to search for Messenger. And after you find the Messenger, you'll be able to find any updates are available for your Messenger app or not. And after you update latest version of Messenger, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here and you have to open the settings on your iPhone again. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to again go the options like general. So simply tap on the option general, and now from the general section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from here tap on the option shutdown, and after you shut down your iPhone and turn it on again, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.